Hey guys, this is Technical God 001 and today in this video I am going to do the unboxing of this product which I bought from PayTm. The cost of this product is rupees 199 and delivery charge of rupees 70. Total cost rupees 269, but I have applied the special code in PayTm, so I got full 200 rupees cashback. So I need to pay only 70 rupees for this product. So I got this product for 70 rupees. So you can also order your product and get 100% cashback, but the maximum cashback is rupees 200 only. So you need to order the product within the range of 200. So you can watch the video. I have made the video on how to claim that product by the promo code. So you can watch the video from the description. So let's do the unboxing now. So I have ordered a total of 4 products: an OTG, a earphone, and a data cable, and a selfie stick. So let's see the product. So first, here is the OTG. An OTG alone costs rupees around 40 to 50. So in 70 rupees, 4 products, it's a very great deal. So let's see the data cable now. So here is the data cable. And now let's see the earphone. This is the earpod. It is a copy of Apple. So let's open and see the earpod. So the earpods are also very nice. And now at last, let's see the selfie stick. So in 70 rupees, these products are really awesome and it is a very great deal. So you should also get your products right now by watching my video in the description given below. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like it, please hit the subscribe button and hit a thumbs up. And if you want to ask anything, you can ask me in the comments below. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.